Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I'm grade 4 English language teacher. Remember, we are studying the poem I Am the Child from page number 111, and this poem is about handicapped or special children. And we were studying that what are the problems faced by these children and what message are they giving to us, to be hopeful, to feel ourselves fortunate that we have got everything, and we should thank Allah for everything that we have. We have already done the moral of the story, and today I have discussed the questions that are at the back of the page. That why do people pity the child who cannot talk? How does the child know? What else can the child see? What else is the child aware of? Now, the people who see a handicapped child, they feel sorry for those children who cannot talk or who are sitting on the wheelchair, who are not able to run, and that's why the people pity on those children. Then, second is, I marvel at your frustration. Why does the child who cannot talk say this? Why is the child frustrated? Now, I marvel at your frustration. I gave you the meaning of marvel. Marvel means surprise. Surprise, the handicapped child is saying that I am surprised at your being upset, you're being frustrated, because the handicapped child is thinking that my frustration, the frustration of a handicapped child, is much more than your frustration, your problems, because the handicapped child is totally dependent on others for their work, and we as normal people, we become frustrated on small things. If we are not getting our favorite food or our favorite clothes, we become frustrated, we cry. So this is not to be frustrated for. The real frustration lies with the handicapped children. What does the poet mean by this line? I cannot gift you with clever conversation. Why is this gift important? The poet mean that the handicapped children cannot laugh and be happy with you like you. So this gift is very important to become happy and to stay happy with the people. Question number 4, why the opportunities are valuable? What will they help the people to discover in themselves? Now, the opportunities are to those normal people who can avail any opportunity of walking, talking, taking part in any games, sports, discussions. But when they take part in various opportunities, then they will come to know that these handicapped children, they cannot take part as fully as you are taking part. Question number 5. Why does the world seem to pass by the child who cannot talk? What does he long to do? Pass by the child, that when you are, for example, at a bus stop, or when you are standing for a taxi, if you see such a handicapped child, you are just passing by, noting what that handicapped child is feeling, or what the handicapped person is feeling. The world is just going here and there, not paying any attention to that handicapped person. And what does he long to do? Long means desire. He desires that everyone notices him and make him feel normal like the other normal people. Question number 6, there's much you take for granted. What does this line mean? This line means that when we are walking around these handicapped children, these special children, we just take them for granted. We do not pay any special attention to them. We just think that they are also normal like us, but no, they have different and hard feelings because they are totally different from you. Question number 7, how is the child dependent on people? The handicapped or special children, they are dependent on people for their support, for using the washroom, for going on the bed, sitting, standing. They are dependent on others for all these tasks. Number 8, what is the child's gift to the people? The child's gift to the people, you can see in that line. My gift to you is to make you aware of your fortune. The gift to the normal people by these handicapped children is to make you aware that we are so fortunate, we are so lucky that we have healthy body, healthy mind, and ability to do our work for ourselves. Now, question number 9, what is the child's desire? You know that a handicapped child is has the same desires as you as normal children, but they cannot express their desires because they are handicapped in somewhere. Maybe their legs are not fine, their hands are not fine, maybe their eyes are not fine, maybe their ears, or they are not able to speak. So the child desires to be normal like you normal children, and to play, laugh, and be a part of you. So that's the desire of the child. I have given you the question that you have to write about the special needs and desires of the handicapped children. So you can write about what do they desire. They desire to play, run, and be happy with the normal children. And what are their special needs? Special needs are that they need support for their daily or their day-to-day work. They need support of others, they need the help of others for their daily task. So only one question you have got to do in your copies, that what is the special needs and desires of a handicapped child. This is your homework, only one question. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.